So after, halimbawa, what if kung ang biktima mo after mong makapag-Heimlich maneuver, hindi pa rin lumabas yung bara, at ang nangyari sa biktima na wala na ng malay. Sige. That's why we perform the straddle position. The purpose, para hindi ka matumba, nakasuporta ka. Pag nag-straddle, pagsak ka na. Pagsak na yan. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, ihiga na natin yung pasyente natin.
Ingatan yung ulo, ulan.
So ganyan na, ihiga mo na yung biktima.
Ayun lang.
So proceed tayo ngayon. Let's say, ito na si Sir.
Yes, go away.
Ay, siya nga lang kalbo. Ay, kalbo. Siya nga lang yung bagay sa kinuha.
Ay, dami sila pinan ako.
Mahal yung dami eh.
So let's say, ito na si Sir. No? So since alam na natin na mayroong bara sa bibig o sa daanan ng hangin ng biktima natin, alam na natin, no? Check muna natin. Check ng ilong at ng bibig ng biktima. Tignan. Baka mamaya medyo nakapukanan na yung bara. No? Medyo nakalabas na yan, pwedeng finger swipe na agad. No? O di kaya naman kung talagang hindi pa rin visible yung bara, then that's the time na proceed na tayo agad sa 30 chest compression. So 30 chest compression, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30. And check. Check. Pag still wala pa rin yung bara, another 30 chest compression. Pero kapag lumabas na ang bara, finger swipe. Away. And then bigay ng dalawang hangin. Then, tignan kung effective yung pumasok ng hangin. And then mag-check ng circulation. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,010. Okay? Kung walang pulso, walang hininga ang biktima, perform CPR. Okay? So, ganon, yung pagtanggal ng bara kapag ka from conscious to unconscious. Now, paano naman kung halimbawa, hindi mo nakita yung biktima na nahilinan o nabilaukan? No? Basta nakita mo, may nakita ka lang na biktima dyan na nakahandusay. Okay? So, again, survey tayo ng scene. Okay, the scene is safe. I saw a man lying on the ground. I am Jerickson Villa, trained first aider. Can I help? Check tayo ng responsiveness. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Okay, the victim is unresponsive. Activate medical assistance and transfer facility and report back to me immediately. Check the airway. Nose and mouth are clear, no obstruction seen. Check the breathing. 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Okay, victim is breathless. I will give 2 initial breath. Now, in this case, yung hangin na binigay mo is hindi pumasok or nag-bounce back yung hangin. Air bounces back. No? So, ang first na gagawin natin is baka mamaya hindi lang naging maayos yung pag-tilt mo ng head. So, retilt mo yung head and then give 2 breaths. Now, kung hindi pa rin pumasok yung hangin, then now that's the time na tayo ay magbibigay na ng 30 chest compression at suspected na natin na ang biktima ay merong obstruction. So, perform 30 chest compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then check. If the obstruction is in, finger swipe, then give 2 breaths again. And then, saka ngayon mag-check ng circulation. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Now, depende yan sa kung ano man ang kondisyon ng biktima. Kung ang kondisyon ng biktima, may pulso pero hindi huminga, ano ang gagawin? Rescue breathing. Pero kapag negative lahat, CPR na yan ay ituturo sa inyo mamaya. Okay?